Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing unboxing on these new motor mounts that I got. I purchased them from eBay. I know I had on my other channel, I'm not sure if I upload another one on this channel, but I did one like maybe a year or 2 years ago that I made a full video basically doing an unboxing on motor mounts for my 2008 Toyota Avalon, and I had bought that one from eBay as well. Now the difference is, this is the difference. The other one, I can't remember the name of the brand. That brand that I bought the last time didn't hold up. It didn't get the job done. It works good at first, but after maybe about a year, they went out. I started feeling a bunch of vibration left and right in the car and everything. So this one right here is official. This is the same company that makes the OEM for Toyota. So the company name for this one is Aisin. So if they have a few good brands out there that you could get, but Aisin is the same material that make the Toyota motor mount. So it's like basically OEM, just call it as that. Now they do have some other brands like I think API is one, Anchor is another good brand as well, but they're not gonna hold up as long as they also have another one as well too. Okay, Westar. They also have Westar. It's another good brand, but they're not gonna hold up long as Aisin. So let's cut to the chase. Let's get into this video. If you're new, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. If you have tried these products before, did this brand before, Aisin brand before, let me know if you tried it before. But if you're looking for new motor mounts, go look up Aisin. It's basically AISIN. Look up that brand and do your research, you know, before you just purchase anything off of eBay. You got to make sure you get something that's worth it, and you know, gonna get you on the road for long term. All right guys, here we are. I should have put my phone on the my camera on the tripod, but the tripod is upstairs, so bear with me. So this one, I basically got the one from the one for the top, the one for the one at the top, the one at the for the engine and the transmission side. I didn't get the one in the front yet. The one in the front, I'm gonna have to buy it probably from Toyota online, and it's not bad. They have it on sale right now for like maybe one and change, 150. I see some for 150, 130, 160 for the front that go at the bottom in the front. It's like a hydraulic mount. So I don't have that one with me, but when I get it, I will, you know, do a video as well on that and show you guys. So let's get into it. They taped this one all together. I don't know why they didn't just put it in one big of a box, but hey, that's them. They just want to do whatever they want to do. Can't really do it. Feel me? So alright guys, so as you can see, that's the brand right there, Aisin, AISIN, made in China. Feel me? Yeah. Let me just kind of just cut. Can't really see the box like that. I think this is the top one. Oh, it said engine. This is the engine mount, and I guess the other two is in the bigger box. So feel me? Where's the other side that I could basically open? Do I need to use the knife anymore, or no? Maybe not. Alright, so cut that, remove that. Yeah, this is the one that's on the top. This one hold the engine for the top. Feel me? So as you can see, The rubber bushing in the middle, no cracks. Let me turn on my light so I can show no cracks or anything. So that's good, brand new, and the name is right there, aisin. I don't know if that's the part number or what, but you could find it on eBay. Not bad, not bad. Looking good, looking good. So that's that with this one. The first one, pretty easy, pretty cool, pretty easy. It's gonna stop all vibration, hold up the engine properly, you know, stop me from getting a bunch of vibration. All right, on to the next one. Show you guys the other two that I have. Now the other two should look like, well, one of them should look like this and the other one should look similar to this. It just turned the other way. This one right here, I could tell is the one for the transmission side that hold up the transmission. So, and once again, this is the same brand. This is the same material they use for the OEM brand. It match, and aisin is a really good product. So, especially for Toyota. So when you see it online or whatever the case is and you need that part, just know that you're getting the real deal. You are not getting no aftermarket. It's basically the OEM, because the same material that makes the OEM. All right, I found the seal. This is one of them. Take it out of the package. As you can see, brand new. This one is for the transmission. How I know this is going to the holding up the transmission, because that little dot right there, that little peak right there, silver piece right there, that's how I know. And usually it tell you as well, it say left or right. It should have like a number somewhere. Hold on, let me see if I could find it so I could tell you guys. Let me see if I could show you if they put it on here. They should. Okay, I tried to look, but I don't see it. But most likely the professionals will know. This is the side for the transmission. They should know exactly this is the side for the transmission. So yeah, okay, that's that. Put that one aside, and here's the other one. And this is for the engine. You see the difference? This one don't have that little silver piece. So that's how the professionals know that this one that hold up the engine from the bottom. So this one goes on the left side, and this one go on the driver's side, hold up the transmission. And you can see the difference. This one have that piece right there, and this one don't. And I will be ordering the one that go at the bottom front to hold up the engine, the hydraulic one, the OEM. And that's like, it's like $1 and change. Feel me? Buy it offline, off of Toyota website online. You get it cheaper, because if I go to the Toyota dealership, they're gonna hit me like a whopping 300 and change. So, but the good thing is, the aisin is the same company basically that make the same parts for Toyota, just like the axle, the aisin axle, it'll match up. It's OEM quality because it's the same material that they use. So do your research. If you think that I'm lying, don't take my words for it. Do your research, look up aisin, and you will see what I'm talking about. They'll explain everything online for you guys doing your research. So this is it, guys. This one go to the top, that's in the box. That the one that go to the top. This one goes on the passenger side. That one go on the transmission side, which is the driver's side, to hold up so you don't get no shakes, no vibration, no annoying noise inside of the car. Because when your motor mount is bad, you're going to get a lot of vibration, a lot of noise as well while you're driving. Even though you're not driving, you're sitting at a red light, sitting at the stop, you're going to get the vehicle is going to be shaking, get a lot of vibration, you're going to hear a lot of noise. So this is it, guys, for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy it. Once again, for Toyota lovers, if you have a Corolla, a Avalon, a Camry, this, you want to get something that's gonna get the job done, OEM quality. Well, this is the same as OEM because this is the same company that make the quality parts for Toyota, so you don't have to worry. You know, I spend $160 for the 3 of these. For all 3, $160 for everything. Not bad. And I got them off eBay. And it seems like they go fast, because I think the last time I purchased, it said these was the last one. I don't know if they restock, but these are the last one that I got off of eBay. I couldn't find these on Amazon. Amazon did not have them. So it's a good brand, guys. Once again, it's aisin. And yeah, motor mounts, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Have you ever heard about this brand before? And as I said, it's a good brand, same material Toyota use to get the job done. You know, longevity, reliable material for the vehicle. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless.